Did you know that kitchen food waste contributes to 3% of Australia's greenhouse gas emissions? This staggering figure highlights the environmental impact of our daily kitchen habits. When food waste decomposes in landfills, it produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas that is 25 times more effective at trapping heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. Explore the range of InSinkErator models, from budget-friendly options to high-capacity units. Each model is designed to cater to different kitchen sizes and usage frequencies. Understand the key features of each model, including horsepower and grinding technology. This knowledge will help you choose the perfect fit for your kitchen needs. Learn about the simple installation process handled by Y-Waite's licensed professional plumbers. This ensures your InSinkErator unit is set up correctly and safely. Discover the low-maintenance nature of InSinkErator units. With minimal upkeep, these units provide long-lasting convenience and efficiency in your kitchen. The benefits of installing an InSinkErator unit in your kitchen are more than convenient. By choosing InSinkErator, you're making a positive environmental impact and enhancing your kitchen's functionality. Take the first step towards a cleaner, more sustainable kitchen today. Book your installation with Y-Waite Plumbing today for an InSinkErator unit and join the movement towards reducing food waste and greenhouse gas emissions in your kitchen.